Let us now try to increase the complexity of our code. So instead of this statement, let us use this equation. So such a long equation we have in front of you. Let us now run the code. So here in the output we get 3. So how such a long equation is getting evaluated? Now in case of Java, when we evaluate such statement, then we have a concept of associativity. That is, evaluate the statement from left to right. And also we have some precedence, that is the priority order. So we give more priority to multiplication, division and modulus compared to the plus and minus operator. So multiplication, division and modulus will get more priority than the plus and minus operator. And always we need to solve the equation from left to right. So whenever we are going to solve this equation, we are going to start from left. So initially we have plus, minus and then multiplication symbol. So as soon as we get the multiplication symbol, then we need to first evaluate 7 into 5. So this 7 into 5 will result into 35. So as a second step, we will get this equation 3 plus 1 minus 35 modulus 3 divided by 2. Now again start from the left, and here we get modulus, and this modulus has the greater precedence over the plus and minus. So here 35 modulus 3 will give us the remainder of 2. So in the next step, we will get this output minus 2 divided by 2. Again we will start from left, and soon after that we are going to find this division. So 2 divided by 2 is now 1. So we get 3 plus 1 minus again 1. Now since we have only plus and minus, so starting from left we will get more priority to 3 plus 1 because of left to right associativity. So then we have 4 minus 1 that finally result into, let's say, 3. So that is why when we run the code, the result will display 3 in the output console like we have here. Now among multiplication, division and modulus, all these three operators are having the equal priority. So among these three, give more priority to the operator that is present on the left. That is why I evaluated 7 into 5 first, and then 5 modulus 3, and finally 3 divided by 2. Now let us try something different. Let us put the bracket before 3 and then after 2. Let us now run the code and let's see what happens. Now this time we get a different output, that is 4 instead of 3. Now what is happening here is that when we apply bracket, so the variables and operators that are present within the bracket will get the highest priority. So while solving the equation, we are going to first solve this 3 divided by 2. So this 3 divided by 2 will result into 1. Now suppose if I have one more bracket here. Let's say 1 minus 7 is present within the bracket. So in the very next step, we are going to first solve this, because the brackets gets the highest priority. So this will be replaced by, let's say, minus 6. So here let us remove plus, a simple mathematical operation, and then we can solve it further, right? Like this. So in this video at the end, we also learned about the associativity, that is, solve the equation from left to right. And also we learned about the precedence, that is, these operators will get the highest priority compared to plus and minus.